Now I'll explain how to create a model of Oldham coupling. First we will see how to create the model of flange. This is the SolidWorks environment. In this, click on new, then automatically you will get three modules. First one is part module, second one is assembly, and third one is drawing. Select part and click on OK. This is the SolidWorks part model environment. In this, different work planes are available. So to create the model of flange, select the right work plane, right click on this and select new sketch. Then you will enter into the sketcher mode. In sketcher mode, draw a circle of 100 dia, taking center as this origin. Then click here and exit from the sketcher mode. Now you are in a features option. Here you select extrude boss or base feature and take extruded length as 20. Then you will get a cylinder like this. Now here you select top plane, right click on top and select a new sketch, and here in the view tab, this is the heads up view toolbar. In this, select top view. Now see from the top and draw a rectangle of 12 by 10, taking this point as center. This is the origin point. From this origin, take this end at a distance of 6. Then click here and exit from the sketcher. Now select extruded cut option. In the extruded cut option, here you select the mid plane and enter extruded length as 110, because the circle dia is 100, so you take 110. Then automatically you will get a slot like this. Now you select this particular surface of the disc flange, and on this surface create a new sketch. Right click on this and click on sketch, then you will get a new sketch. On this particular plane you draw one more circle of 60 dia. Now you are in the sketcher mode. Exit from the sketcher mode and extrude this to some 30 length. Now here on this surface, right click on this surface and select one more sketch. See from the right side and here draw a circle of dia 30, and to get the keyway, draw a rectangle of 10 by 6 at this particular point. Now using trim option, you just trim the unwanted area. Then you will get a circular hole with keyway. This is the profile to get the circular hole with keyway. Now exit from the sketcher and select extruded cut option. In this extruded cut option, here you select surface option and click this surface. Then automatically here to here you can get a hole with keyway, something like this. Now the flange is ready.